Welcome to a beginner's guide to public speaking and presenting, overcoming fear and self-doubt to become a dynamic and memorable speaker. I'm Michael Lynch, thrilled that you're here today. One of the things that fascinates me in life is the number of people who will say to you, "I could never be a public speaker." And you know what's interesting about that? It's more societal conditioning that makes people feel that way, or self-deprecation, because in reality, you are fully equipped to be a dynamic speaker. And I hope this little mini course will help you in giving you the structure to become an effective speaker. Think about the times we live in now. We live in an information age, a digital age, where it is more beneficial now than ever to be a good speaker, communicator, presenter than ever before. It could be to advance your career. It could be to start a business. It could be to have a stronger role in a civic organization or a nonprofit that you might be in, where it's beneficial to articulate the value you have to offer. It could be at a networking event. All of those things incorporate public speaking and presentation skills. So there's almost a universal importance to this. And what I want to share with you in this video is roughly 20 years ago, a little more than that, when I worked for NBC television and was trained there, they had a great format that I'm going to share with you that you should apply to all the speaking that you do. I want you to write down three simple words, all start with the same letter: purpose,